In this video, I'm going to go through and show you exactly what it takes for anyone, including someone like you, to actually take everything that I've shared and use it. How do you turn it into something? I'll see you there. I'm Nils McQuarrie. I've been shooting video for 15 years and marketing for the last 5. I'm going to show you how to be confident on camera and how to quickly make videos that work. Get ready to learn. Part 5 of this 5-part series, how do we use everything we've just learned? Right, in the first video we went through why most people fail. Before they even get off the ground, they fail. And if they manage to get up, they quickly tank. Second video, we learned how an average, normal, everyday person can become a rock star, a guru, someone who's absolutely full of confidence in front of the camera. In the third one, we went on over how to turn off the awkward. So when we get on camera, we're not awkward, we're not shy, we're outgoing, and so that we can connect with our audience. And then in the last video, we covered why it's not about the equipment. It's not about the camera or the mic or any of that stuff. So in this video, how do we take all that and what does it take to actually do something with that? If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. This is for people who want to get really good on camera, who want to feel confident, feel comfortable, actually enjoy the process instead of hating it, and who want to get really good. So if that sounds like you, then consider subscribing and hitting the bell if you want to get notifications. So to tell you how I went through the process, let me backtrack a little bit. So I had discovered that I could jump on stage or get in front of the camera really easy. I mean, it was not even a thing for me anymore. And that was exciting. That was great. Now I knew that that was something that I could do. But I didn't know how I did it, right? All I knew is that I could get in front of the camera and be great, but it was kind of on autopilot. I just knew that once I hit record, or once my foot hit the stage, or I got in the spotlight, or whatever the thing was, I was on. That's all I knew. So, and I also, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't share this with anyone. This was just my own thing that I discovered that I wasn't gonna share with anybody because it was kind of like the trick I had up my sleeve. So one thing I knew would always come through no matter what. So now I get online. And I had been doing some marketing, and I was considering going off on my own, but I didn't know what was my message going to be, what was my thing going to be. And as I went out and I saw other marketers doing things, I noticed everyone had the same problem that I did. Everyone was struggling with, well, I'm scared. I'm scared about this or that. What if I'm too old? What if I'm too young? What about my accent? What if I sound funny? All of these worries that people had that were keeping them from doing anything. Now, as I read those, I realized that I had, at some point, I had all of those. And not a little bit, a lot. It was absolutely crippling. And I knew that I had a unique, ridiculously powerful way of not just overcoming them, but just absolutely destroying them. So this is like, someone talks about bringing a knife to a gunfight. This is like bringing an atomic bomb to a gunfight. It's over, it's done. And that's why it's so powerful. And I thought, man, I have got a tool that can just make this a non-issue for anyone who wants it. But I've never shared it before. Do I want to? That was my question. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna find out. What are people learning anyway? If someone, say I hadn't learned this and I wanted to go out and learn how do you get great on camera, who would I find? What would I see? So I began Googling. I would Google getting on camera, camera confidence, public speaking, acting, whatever it was. And what I discovered was that not only did nobody teach it. The ones who did would do something like, here's a list of the top 5 ways to overcome blah, blah, blah. And I already knew that lists like that do not work. And in another video, I'll go over why, but absolutely not. That's almost a recipe for failure. So I thought, wow, this is what's out there for people who want to get good on camera, regardless of what they're doing. And I thought, man, I definitely can share something like this, but nobody has heard of this method before. What I did, however, discover was that even though nobody was teaching it, there was a couple people who were using it. David Bowie, Beyonce in the music industry, Shakira talks about using it. These are absolutely, without question, some of the top, best music entertainers in the world. I think we can agree on that. Whether we like their music or not is another thing, but they are at the top of their game. They would use it. In sports, I learned that Bo Jackson used this same tool to get to the top of 2 different sports. No one in history has done that. That's incredible. I found out that Cary Grant, in acting, Marilyn Monroe. That is what Marilyn Monroe was, right? Because she was born as Norma Jean. So all of these people in self-help, Tony Robbins, he talks about doing the same thing. And finally, to bring it full circle to marketing, people like Steve Larson. All of these people they're all incredibly shy. This is not a natural, normal thing. They had to find something, and they also found this tool that is so powerful that it was able to take them to these other places, all of them, to the top of their field. So I thought, wow, this is a big deal. But how do I teach it? Because I didn't know how I did it. All I knew is when I would hit record on the camera, boom, I was on. Or when I would set foot, if I was doing music, when I would set foot on the stage, boom, I was on. But it was all on autopilot. I hadn't actually gone through and figured out, well, do this step and then that step and then that step, and then you have, like you're baking a cake. Now you have the end result. It wasn't like that at all. So I was working for a buddy of mine. We were doing marketing together, and I realized this is what I'm going to do. This is what I want to figure out. So I stopped working for him. By the way, I didn't have another job. I just said, took the leap. It's a very frightening thing to do. But I took the leap, stopped working, and I just dove headfirst, 100%, into figuring out how I even do that. And what I wound up doing was, it actually took several months because I had to go back and backtrack. I had to go back and say, what was the series of events that led up to this moment when I figured out how to use an alter ego or an attractive character? How did I even come to that conclusion? And so I would find a piece. And I say, okay, so I have that happened, and then I would keep thinking, and I would be journaling and writing and all these things to try and figure it. And I was slowly, over a period of months of tons of journaling, I would film myself, I would replay the footage, I would read what I wrote, and I would make lists of how is this that this happens. And then I began teaching it just to a blank camera, so that I could actually formulate these thoughts and things that I had in my mind, that I could put them to words in a way that another human being could understand. So I slowly did that. When I finally had something that I kind of thought made sense, I took a handful of friends, got them together, and I said, okay, these are people who wanted to get better on camera. And there was, and some of them had experience, some of them had no experience at all. So we had a good mix of people, but I told them, I said, okay, this is the plan. I want to teach you what I do. Because at that point I had a reputation for being able to get on stage or get in front of a camera and deliver and be confident and actually enjoy the process, believe it or not. So I took these as this my fledgling group that they're my fledgling group of people who are going to test this out to see if it works. And I decided we're going to do this all in one day. We're not going to spread it out. So in one day, we started working with them. One of the girls was so nervous, she didn't even want to come because she didn't think it was possible. I mean, that, just to let you know, that's how nervous and scared some of these students were. In less than 4 hours, not only could she see that she was excited not only could she see it was possible, but she was excited about starting to use all these new cool tools that she was teaching. Of course, I went on after that to develop another program where I took another fledgling group of students through it. And this was a longer program because not everybody has 2-3 days in a row to do this. Some people need it a little bit each day over a period of time. So I put together a fledgling group to do a challenge, and that would help them get better on camera. By the end of the challenge, it worked amazingly well. And since then, I've done this challenge a couple of times. So what I would like to offer to you is, if this is something that you would like to do, I have a 30-day program where I can actually help show you how you can get these same results. Now, in this program, we don't only cover and show you how to be amazing on camera and show up 100% confident no matter what you're gonna do, but we also go through a process and show you exactly what videos you should make, what you should start with, your first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and on, and what you should say from the start to the end, so that you can make the absolute maximum impact on your audience. Because there are a lot of people out there, whether they're doing podcasts or YouTube or going live, that they're regularly doing stuff, but they're not going anywhere. They're just kind of spinning their wheels, and the worst part is they don't realize it. And I don't want that to be you. So if you're interested, I'm going to put a link down below. It's usually a waiting list. And then when the program opens up, we let them know. But if that's something that you're interested in, click the link below and add your name on the list. And when a spot becomes available, we will reach out to you. All right. Thank you so much, and have an amazing rest of your day.